Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're here because you want to learn more about Simple Freedom Warriors Review 2025. And let me tell you, you've come to the right place. Whether you're looking to make money online, build your affiliate marketing team, or finally escape the 9 to 5 grind, this video is for you. Stick with me until the end because I'm going to show you how you can start today for just $7 one time out of pocket. No fancy tools, no expensive setups. You'll learn how to work your way straight out of profit and eventually land up to $1,500 instant commissions. That's right, $1,500 per sale with only a $7 upfront cost. Let's dive in, and if you're serious about taking control of your future, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about what excites you most about this opportunity. Now, before we dive deeper, let me introduce myself. My name is John Solid, aka JJ Solid, aka Yo, Friendly Neighborhood Solid Man, and I've been in the make money online space for over 12 years now. And let me tell you, it's been a journey. But here's the kicker. I just recently found the mentor I've been searching for all along. Now, on a more personal note, some of you know that my wife was hit by a car 6 months ago. This was a life-changing event that happened right in front of me. That really put things into perspective. It reminded me why I started this journey in the first place, to have true financial freedom, to never rely on a paycheck, and to build something that lasts. I want that for you too. Now, as you can see, in the GoFundMe, this is written from my son's point of view. We've only raised $445 so far in 6 months. Again, this is written from my son's point of view. The accident left with severe injuries, including fractures in her neck, a broken femur in her right leg, broken tibia and fibula in her left leg, and a subdermal hematoma. Now, she's endured several surgeries. She's still working on. She still isn't walking. She still needs help. She's still in a rehabilitation center, etc. But this isn't about her. This is about the fact that none of us know what tomorrow will bring. Tomorrow is not promised. We could lose our job. We could be hit by a car. We could, have a plane crash. Who knows? One of our kids could be hurt severely. Who knows what? Our car could break down. And who really wants to be working till they're 70, 75 at a job that doesn't pay enough now? So how are you going to make it on 40% of what isn't enough now with retirement? All right? We all have residual bills. We need passive income. And these can make instant commissions from $7 to $1,500. I'm sorry, from $350 to $1,500 a pop to whatever payment processor you want. So what exactly is Simple Freedom Warriors? At its core, it's a powerful system designed to help people quit their 9 to 5 jobs, make money online, and build a solid affiliate team. Unlike other programs, this one is simple, duplicatable, and effective. Here's how it works. You can start for as little as $7 with no crazy upfront costs. $7, and there's a way to start without an autoresponder. Now, if you have the extra money, go ahead and invest it so you can make the higher income, okay? If you have an autoresponder, if you have, the tools, then you're ready to go. But you could start for as little as $7, and you don't have to have a funnel set up, Say you can earn instant commissions raising from $7 to $1,500, and again, you can be paid to whatever payment processor you want. You want to be paid PayPal, you want to be paid Venmo, you want to be paid Cash App, you want to be paid Zelle, you want to be paid Stripe, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge. How do you want to be paid? Ethereum, you can get paid in heck, you want to be paid in gold or silver, you can do that as well. You get 50% instant commissions. Nobody's holding your money. It goes straight to the payment processor of your choosing. You get high converted training, bonuses, and mentorship that teach you how to scale fast. And most importantly, you're not alone. This system ensures duplication, meaning when you succeed, your team succeeds, creating real passive income. And let me tell you, I've been through countless programs in the last 12 to 13 years. And I've learned more in about a month and a half with JT than I've learned in 12 to 13 years with everybody else. And it isn't even close. I've learned about 10 times as much with JT, okay? Many promises big things, but delivering very little. PLRs, I've been through it all. I've learned drop shipping. I've learned all kinds of stuff. And guess what? Most of the people that are mentoring me, that are on my upline, are jumping from program to program. And they're making money. That's a crazy thing. And then they go to the next program and they leave their team behind. That's not what this is about. Matter of fact, this isn't an MLM. This isn't digital marketing. This is totally, completely different. This is somebody teaching you how to make money online. Simple. To get lead, traffic, and signups and sales and instant commissions from a one-time $7. You can work your way up to the higher levels. Simple Free Warrior is the real deal. The earning potential is solid. The training, it's next freaking level. I'm going to show you something real quick. Alright, this is the YouTube syndication group. What you do is search the video keyword on your YouTube and scroll until you find the member's video. Watch the video all the way through with your volume slightly up. Watch 5 videos at a time so this goes way faster for you. Like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. Repeat this for 5 other members before you post your video to get boosted. When you post your video, you must use this template. So what this is going to do is this is going to give YouTube everything they want. They're going to watch your video in full. They're going to like it, they're going to comment, and they're subscribe to your channel and hit the bell notifications. And they're going to do this every single day. And that's just the YouTube syndication group, okay? So we have a real syndication group, okay? This is similar. In the reel, you could post reels, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok. Pick a reel, like the video, comment on the reel. Watch the reel twice to get a loop view. So you're watching the reel twice. Repeat this for 5 other members. Do you see the power of this? Because this is amazing. This is going to make sure your stuff gets super boosted. It's giving YouTube, TikTok, etc. exactly what it wants. Okay? And this is stuff that hasn't been implemented yet. Okay? It's something that we're setting up. But our stuff is ranking regardless of that. I'm going to show you real quick what that looks like, okay, in real time. So you can see I am not logged in, okay? So let's talk about YouTube ranking and why our team is leading the charge. This is not logged in, okay? This is a incognito window. I'm going to look up, why is it doing that? Give me a half a second. Okay, so I'm going to look for affiliate manager Spark in incognito mode. And as you can see, this is a live look, okay? My video is number 1 from 13 days ago with 108 views, okay? Affiliate manager Spark review. And this is another member of our team. I'm only going to name members of our team. Make Money Online with JJ. That's me. Mr. Orange Dream, another member of our team. Postcard Lifestyle, another member of our team. This is all Simple Freedom Warrior stuff. Mr. Orange Dream, again, another member of our team. So is Affiliate Meta Review 2025, which is the second most recommended short. And here's another one for me. This is not even Affiliate Meta Spark, but it's ranking. Okay? Affiliate Meta Review 2025, another one. And here you go. So it's not just seeing, this is just one term. Okay? I'm going to look up Affiliate Mentor, which is the main term from the program we were all recommending. Make Money Online with JJ. Postcard Lifestyle. Make Money Online with JJ 1 day ago. 40 views, okay? Michael De La Cruz. Mr. Orange Dream. Postcard Lifestyle. Mr. Orange Dream. Make money online with JJ. Make money online with JJ. The number one short is from a member of our team. Postcard Lifestyle. Are you seeing the power of this? Okay. Postcard Lifestyle. There's another member, Brian. There's Make Money Online with JJ. We are dominating the Monopoly board, okay, for all of these terms. And this will work with any online business, okay? It'll work with any offline business, okay? Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. Go ahead, search for affiliate mentor and compensation plan, affiliate mentor. No matter what you say, comp plan, affiliate mentor review 2025, and you'll see our team members crushing it. Ranking on the first page isn't luck, it's strategy. And the best part, we teach our members how to do it for free. We don't just tell you what works, we show you step by step, from thumbnails to titles to SEO tricks. We provide actionable training that gets results. Okay? This is what our team page looks like. Give me a half a second, I'll be right back. Okay, I promised you how to start from $7, right? This is how to potentially get your first SFW sale in 24 hours or less. Welcome, new affiliate. Here's your fastest way to start getting paid and move your way up. We want you to help make money before you start spending more money. Sound fair? Follow the steps below exactly to the letter, and you might get your first 2 sales to break even. We cannot guarantee results. Your results will depend on how big your current audience is. People with 5,000 friends may get more leads, but that doesn't mean your current audience size matters. Okay? Remember, this is your link. Okay, so if you don't have your own funnel, and you don't have your own tools, and you don't have enough to start with, because we have 3 different levels that you can get for $50 total, okay? But this will be your link, okay? It's right up here at the very top, okay? This is, if you don't have your own branded funnel, you don't have your tools, that's what you're going to market, okay? Until you start getting in. And you post a done for you post on Facebook. We're giving you the descriptions, the hashtags, 3 different posts, and this is how you'll make money when people and you show up to the training, okay? And so they can pay you money instantly to whatever payment method you want, okay? Now let me be crystal clear. We don't tell you what works. We show you step by step. We show you all the SEO tricks, okay? This is the $7 level, okay? It's not a little cookie cutter thing, okay? New member orientation, disclaimer training, set up LLC, how to start marketing, set up Facebook, set up Instagram. Okay, sorry. For some reason, it closed out, okay? And it did it again. I don't know why. Give me a second. As you can see, this is live. Things happen. I'll be right back. Alright. Set up Instagram, set up YouTube, set up LinkedIn, set up X, set up Pinterest, etc., etc. This is not a cookie cutter program, okay? Let me be crystal clear. If you've been struggling to build a team, frustrated with programs that don't deliver, or just looking for the best bonuses and training, this is it. We have the best team. We have the best bonuses. We have the best training. And most importantly, we help you win, okay? You will rank for these terms, okay? You will rank for Simple Freedom Warriors, etc., okay? So right now what you need to do, text me 775-460. I don't know why that's doing that, so I'm going to close it out. That's weird, okay? 775-460-7938, or click the first link in the description and get started today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content just like this. You've just watched the Simple Freedom Warriors Review 2025, the ultimate breakdown of how to make money online, build your affiliate marketing, escape the 9-to-5, and get started for as little as $7. And start making $3.50 to $3.50 to $1,500 instant commissions. Don't wait. Get what you, this is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka your friend in neighborhood Solomon. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.